go! I'm Kanji Coder and I fucking hate this. Let's go. Data by system, the MIP tile section, top level mutable data for the MIP tile system. We forgot the var keyword because we're fucking idiots. We've added it back, so now this works. Okay, right over here, we have two lookup tables that are new. The layer converted to a lateral multiplier x and y. This is basically for point normal form to seek to the correct layer of data in our MIP map. And within the MIP tile function section, we have this function we've been working on, and we've declared some more shit. So we have the master memory origin x and y, the top left pixel of our 512 by 512 cluster of pixels, where we have the MIP map we want to start processing. And tile cluster origin x and y. This is going to be the origin of same resolution tiles that we're trying to create the MIP maps for. This is a monkey wrench macro. We're going to use shorter variable names. We have ms0 and ms1 for MIP selection 0 and 1. This is the source, and this is the destination. So this will always be the full resolution tile, and this will be one of the MIP map layers. Both of these reusable objects are structs belonging to genBlit, because we're going to use this for the bitblitter function. We have both of them wired up to pix2048. The source and destination image are the same, but we don't have to worry about that because the pixels won't be overlapping. Okay, down here in the master memory origin section, it's a new section, we calculate master memory origin x and y by taking the master memory cell x and y and just multiplying it by 512, because each cell is 512 by 512. Select and blit, we kind of added some markings to this quadruply nested loop, but the actual logic has not changed. And we added a lookup right here. So layer converted to lateral multiplier x, lateral multiplier y, right? Layer is going in, lateral multiplier x and y is going out. Looks good to me. Let's get the fuck out of here. Okay, so here's what I did previously. Here's our footnotes and stuff and diagrams. We don't have enough time to go over the diagrams in the fast playlist, but if you want me to go over those diagrams, you want Ninja playlist, you've been on Kanji playlist. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe, my name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, and I am documenting every single line of code. Like and subscribe.